হেডলাইন নিবেদন করছেন
Camellia Group, spreading its petals for the growth of the nation.
कैसे को कैमिला ग्रोथ ऑफ द फॉर द नेशन করছে দেখছি
অপেক্ষার অবসান ভারতে শুরু হলো করোনার টিকাকরণ সূচনা করলেন প্রধানমন্ত্রী প্রথম টিকা নিলেন এইমসের
শালা
সাফাই
ধাপ্পাবাজি।
৩,০০০-এরও বেশি কেন্দ্র টিকা নিলেন ৩ লক্ষ
वैक्सीन দিচ্ছ দাও पोस्ट वैक्सीन और सब वैक्सीन में सेम कंटेंट होना चाहिए। वही मेडिकल वेटनरियन पब्लिक हेल्थ कंसर्न जो भी हैजर्डस एलिमेंट इंजेक्शेबल सॉल्यूशन में जाता है वेटनरी एनिमल और ह्यूमन में सारे को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वेटनरियन डॉक्टर्स और ह्यूमन डॉक्टर्स का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है। पब्लिक हेल्थ एपिडेमियोलॉजिस्ट का एक ड्यूटीज होता है। वैक्सीन में कंटिन्यूअस स्क्रीनिंग ईच एंड एवरी बैच एंड द मैन्युफैक्चरर वैक्सीनर गिवर all details has to be documented. At the crisis of Gujarat plague, bird flu, swine flu, corona, SARS, Nipah, all virus has been developed spread by the Indian-born Safe Bengal Veterinary and AIMS or Calcutta Medical College, etc., doctors and hospitals, expertise and US-based private laboratories, top medical research of private, and the people, the scientists of criminal mentality from Bengal-born leftist who is anti-law, prone to animosity showing, taking pleasure, torturing, killing life of others, as feeling them inferior. They are remain inferior to enter on those institutes, to harm those their competitors, to do not know this crime of their peoples. They are reporting one from Goghat, Arambagh accident, which is probably they are following me, that Bangla, because I have to blame and also support it for the one ad where digital system being run from remote USA by this culprit IIT Kharagpur and also make lock चाबी उनका खुलने पड़ने का उनका हाथ में से गिर रहा है और उसको तुरंत गिर जाने मरने का नौबत कर देता है। दे आर टेकिंग लाइफ साइज दैट द वन हेडिंग abnormal death, short circuit, street accident, snake bite for animal death, mosquito borne diseases and comorbidity related death. This is and that climate calamities, earthquakes, tsunami, etc., all digital hackings, but this digital system is involved there, and human Joni Tantra is factor, under sea water media is a factor, and the witchcraft scientific system mixing that humans once urged one individual lady on land to bring that in mass and lethal media, water media, it has been havoc to do mind aberration, body paralyzing, all body functions can be affected through the mega process, mega system from 12,000 kilometers away kept systems to drawn the magnetic field, or they can push them 50% or to drag those 50% to nearer those two surface fields, inner magnetic and gravitational field. So to do connect and to do all harm, they can create all absurd abnormal death, and they collect the all people's activities and accidents. Thus they even the driving of the cars affect the divers and the dive method that running all vehicles under their control
एक नहीं
to tilt or
दो मेड
because they usually uses this
हमारे
vehicle as their movement
हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स
for to reaching
मेड इन
to make more
की सुरक्षा और प्रभाव को लेकर आश्वस्त हुए
मतलब impetus momentum in other way
इमरजेंसी उपयोग की अनुमति दी है
or deliberately undeliberately killing
देशवासियों को किसी भी तरह
for individual premature death to mass death. Now what they have creating comorbidity, just creating feverish condition on brain.
विदेशी वैक्सीनों
They can make one human body
की है
at harmful state. They are invisible mechanism which are,
उतना ही
I have told repeatedly,
और मैं सभी
they are increasing the morbidity,
बात फिर याद दिलाना चाहता हूं
mortality, both in this
वैक्सीन की दो डोज
all infectious diseases by their invisible mechanisms of
डोज ले लिया
body harming human,
गए
animals, earth, natures, inner.
और जैसा
He is doing bogbas, this is the culprit criminals. And each and everybody has to, each and every has to be about concerned about this imposter, and I have
ये भी याद रखना
turned it that Kamala Harris, Jai Biden, but Obama and this man,
आपके शरीर
imposter, culprit,
कोरोना
shaitan.
के